Hello everyone. My name is Haresh, and I have been part of the Aquila family for the past 1 year, and have been trained under Anand. So I would just like to take a moment to talk about my experience working and training under Anand. One of the things I really truly appreciate is the level of training and exposure I received. It wasn't just about learning the basics; it was also about understanding the why behind everything that we do. Anand has a way of making complex things feel simple, not just by handling out the answers, but by pushing us to think critically and figuring the answers ourselves. Another thing that really stood out was the level of exposure to different perspectives and situations. It wasn't just about sticking to routine work, but there was always an opportunity to see the bigger picture, to understand how the decisions were made in an actual organization, and to actually be involved in discussions that normally wouldn't be possible in these types of trainings. That kind of learning is very valuable because it goes beyond just technical skills, and it helps us grow as a person, as it builds confidence and a way of thinking that stays with us. And finally, what makes all this work is the level of trust that Anand placed in me as well as the colleagues that were trained under him. It's one thing to teach someone, but it's another to actually give them space to apply what they have learned in actual life, in actual organizations, make mistakes and grow from them. So that actually helps in growing as a person. So I would like to thank Anand for the guidance, the patience, and most of all for the level of leadership that genuinely made a difference in the way I think. And also now that I'm working in a corporate, in a corporate world, so his trainings and his guidance was of utmost importance for me.